Hi everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are going to be organizing and cleaning out my closet and my clothes. I have a lot of things going on in my room. First of all, I have a ottoman filled with clothes that I need to get rid of because I haven't seen the ottoman in like a few months and I actually want to use it and sit on it. So I'm going to clean that out. I'm going to have to move out clothes from this space into somewhere else. I have another closet over there where I'm going to have to move clothes out and take them to the basement because I have no room for my clothes. So I'm going to figure that all out today and you guys are going to be joining me in the process. So first things first, I never really liked clothes or shopping at all. Back in high school I would wear uniforms, so I didn't really need clothes, but then university came along and I was like, I don't have any clothes to wear. So I started going shopping and I actually started to like shopping, that it became like this, like my collection grew a lot. And now I have no room because my closet is actually the tiniest closet in my house. So I can only fit a few things in there, which is why I brought this rack from downstairs here. It does take up room, but I kind of like it because I get to see everything and choose anything I want whenever I want. But the issue is now that I have too many clothes that they won't fit on this rack and they won't fit inside the closet either. And I have so many clothes just everywhere. So let's clean up this mess. Okay, so this is my closet space. The camera is making my room look much bigger than it is, but it's not that big. So this is it. Here are my clothes, and as you can probably tell, most of them are my desi brown cultural clothes. And they're very thick, so they take up a lot of room. And in this side over here, I kept most of my normal summer clothes, I think, because wintertime was here, so I put all my clothes on that rack, but I moved my summer ones in here. Let me just show you how deep it is. Yeah. I honestly need to just like organize this and like, yeah, it's just a little bit of a mess, but we're gonna fix that hopefully today. You can also probably tell I'm like throwing hats and like berets on this. I need to put that stuff away as well. So we're gonna start off with this ottoman table situation. It's not a table, it's a chair. There's too many things on it and I'm gonna just start cleaning it up. Okay, so as you can see, I have a huge massive mountain of clothes. Basically, I ended up buying, please don't follow me. See what I mean? Okay, so I ended up buying some more velvet hangers because I needed some more velvet hangers. So I'm gonna use them to hang up more of my clothes. Now another issue that I have is that this closet over here, this is gonna follow me, is absolutely filled and stacked like this against each piece of clothing. I think I'm gonna actually need to move some of the clothes from my closet downstairs into the basement and just keep it there for storage. And I'm tempted to put away my cultural clothes because I don't use that on a daily basis compared to my regular clothes. So this stuff is gonna move somewhere there before it all keeps falling down. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start off by putting everything onto my bed because that's the only way I could actually clean this up. Has like a really tight neck. I can't really shove the hanger in, so I have to kind of do it from like under. It's a little bit of a hassle, but just stick your hand in, put your thing through, and then pull it. I'm gonna keep this on my bed as well and hang them up later. Now I have a lot of jeans, and jeans are my absolute favorite thing to wear. I can't hang them. I mean, I could, but I don't want to hang them. So these are the only things I actually put in like cupboards and drawers, whereas everything else that's like a top or a dress I like to hang. Something. So this is kind of dumb to do, but I still do it. I actually, on my tags, I actually cut up my tags because I don't want my siblings taking my clothes, so I want to also know which ones are mine. So yeah, it's kind of weird. I know I probably shouldn't do it, but I still do it. Does anyone else do this, or am I just the only one who does? Because I have like 2 sisters, so I don't want my clothes to get mixed up. I ran out of hangers, so I'm gonna open up the new pack now. Okay, I got this specifically for springtime, and it's so cute. Let me actually put it on and show you guys. It's so cute. I like it a lot. So I'm gonna be using this a lot more, and I'm gonna actually hang it, but I'm gonna put it as a jacket, not like with those, because it's definitely gonna take up a lot of space if I do. See the seat now. Wait, let me show you. I feel like I haven't sat on this in months. That's how bad this is. Oh, okay. This is a cute skirt. I actually wore it last summer. I think I got this from my team. It's so cute. I love the color as well. So I'm definitely going to be wearing this as well. Why can I not say the word definitely? I say definitely, definitely, definitely. Okay, cute. I'm literally going to smack myself in the face with this. I already know it. I really like this. It's so cute. I don't know what to call it. It's like a round zipper. Oh, I don't know. Oh my god, it's clean. It's finally clean. Okay. Now, I love how you see this, but then when you see my bed, it's actually a mess. So I have to put away stuff now. Okay, I need to hang this stuff up now. Now the problem is I need room for this stuff. Okay, so the first logical thing would be to take these clothes and put them down so that I can take some of the winter clothes from here and put them in here. Then I can hang those clothes over there. Okay, let's put this stuff away. Okay, I'm gonna move all of this downstairs. I'll see if I can take it down like one time, or I have to like come back for like another trip to take down the rest. This is a lot and they're also very heavy, but I'm gonna try. Okay, this is the last item. I brought them all down at one time, in one time. But this was what I could not hold. I held quite a bit, not gonna lie. Okay, it's all of this. It's gonna be kept here because I don't have any room upstairs. And this is a free rack. Okay, I'm gonna miss these clothes. Okay, so this is what it looks like currently. I had to move some of the clothes actually into the closet because I didn't have enough clothes to bring from here to here. So I just put the rest of the ones that I hanged up from that ottoman over here. And I'm panting because I just carried down those heavy clothes and I'm still tired. Okay, now I have another issue. I have all these pants and I can't hang them because I don't want to also. But also because the problem is I do not know where to put them. So I'm gonna have to figure that out, where to keep all of these. I have to probably empty a drawer or put it somewhere because I have no idea. So this one doesn't fit either. Oh no, what the heck did I do? Oh my god, no, I ruined it with black felt. Frick. I'll come back to this one. I ran out of hangers, so we're gonna use some more. My bed is at last clean. Oh my god. This was so exhausting. I'm so thankful that I cleaned up at least like more than 50% of what I've done, and I'll figure out the rest later. And I'm gonna have to figure out a new system of how to actually organize my clothes. But I really like doing this video because it helped me actually clean up my room and my clothes for once. And I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below because I'd like to know what you are thinking. And I'll catch you guys in the next one then. Bye guys!